And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this set of shipping cardboard boxes. You can see here that these are model B1177. They're color brown. There's 25 of them in here, and they are 9 by 6 by 2 inches. So let's open them up and show you what you get in here. These are the boxes. You get 25 of these down in here. And essentially, you're able to just unfold it and put it all together. So fold in the front and the back. Kind of fold that up and then bring your edges over the side. There we go. And then that kind of clips down into here. And then bada bing. You've got a nice little 9 by 6 by 2 shipping box that could fit a lot of things. And once you get it all put together, you can of course seal it with tape or whatever you may like to do. Perfect little shipping box. Great for businesses shipping a lot of small items. So that'll do it for this shipping box unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending these to me to demonstrate and show you what you're getting here. Remember, 9 by 6 by 2 shipping boxes. They'll be perfect. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.